how to remove private browsing in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove private browsing on your Safari. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your settings, and then you will need to scroll down and go to screen time and scroll down a bit, go to content and privacy restrictions, and then you need to go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Click in Web Content and then set it to limit adult websites. Now, private browsing will be automatically removed from your Safari. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.